Hey, Jillian, how are you? Can I ask you one real quick question?
Well, before we get to your one real quick question, intros! That's fitness guru Jillian Michaels. You know, the one who screams at fat people.
Only way you're coming off this damn treadmill is if you die on it.
Bless her heart. Anyway, we got her out in Malibu.
And she's given us some diet tips.
Okay.
Okay, so what's the guy's question?
I'm curious about Master Cleanse. I'm trying to detox.
Yes, Master Cleanse, the diet plan made popular by Beyonce on Oprah in 2006.
What is it?
You don't eat anything.
Oh, that's a great diet.
Yeah, you get to eat. You get to eat tea and lemonade with maple syrup and cayenne pepper for 10 days.
And you crap all the bad toxins out of you.
Sounds delightful.
Okay, Jillian Michaels,
Yeah.
Spit it out, man!
if she has common sense, she's going to say this is ridiculous.
And she does.
Don't do it.
Don't do the Master Cleanse?
Don't do the master.
Okay.
Just eat really clean and healthy. Don't do the master.
So is it?
Bad for you.
It's bad for you?
So there it is. Thank you, Jillian, for your keen insights on healthy eating. Any other tips?
Don't go vegetarian.
Oh, you hear that, soy boy? Jillian says eat steak, burgers, and pork chops.
Well, she's full of crap.
Well, she obviously hasn't tried the Master Cleanse. Jillian Michaels!